Love from Sesame Street. Love is a sunny day. Love is dancing by yourself to your favorite song. Love is being an everyday hero. Love is infinite, bigger than all the numbers. Love comes in all shapes and sizes. Love is building something together. Love is giggles and kisses and hugs and squishes. Love sings in every language. Love is being kind to your best friends. Love makes all kinds of sounds. Love is accepting life, even when it's messy. Love is an amazing family. Love is cookies, and then more cookies. Love is magical and full of wonder. Love is everywhere and all around us. The end.